Hi guys, magandang araw. Welcome to Phil Mateo TV. Samahan niyo ako ngayon para mag-unbox ng isang wired na headphone. Ito ang ating box. Okay? This one is a JBL Tune 500. And this one, ito ay nabili ko sa Shopee. So, this one is not a Bluetooth headset. This is just a wired headphone. At ang price nito is 1,199 sa Shopee. So I also researched this one sa JBL website. And apparently, mas mahal doon for some reason. So nasa almost 2,000 na price niya, 1,999. So ang laki din ng price difference. So habang binubuksan natin ito, i-share ko lang kung bakit ito ang napili ko. Isa sa mga, ang JBL ay go-to brands ko pagdating sa speaker. Kasi maganda yung quality at maganda din ang customer service na. So yun yung maganda kay sa JBL. Pagdating sa product support, hindi ka tatagilid, hindi ka mag-aalangan. So, dadalhin mo lang sa service center nila and they will replace it if it is under 1-year warranty. So, wag mo lang itatapon yung mga resibo. So, that's one good thing about JBL. Normally, hindi nila nire-repair, i-replace na lang nila. So, with that price, so 1,199, so, kung less than a year, tapos nasira, nagka-issue, pagawa mo lang, no? So, yun yung advantage ng isang matinong brand. So, that's the reason why in terms of loyalty, kay JBL talaga ako pagdating sa brand ng mga headphone. Okay? So, nakita natin yung Gundam natin. Nilapit natin yung Gundam para mas cute. Ayan, hey, say hello to my Gundam. So, tinanggal ko na sa pinaka-box niya yung item. Okay, as always, merong bubble wrap for protective. Okay, so buksan pa rin natin ulit siya. Shout out sa seller nito. This one galing to sa JBL flagship store. At makakasiguro kang original. Kasi ako, pagdating sa mga online, ay make it a point na verified yung mall. Mahirap din kasi na mahal ang binili mo, hindi rin siya ganun ka-affordable, no? Compared to some other brands. Kaya make sure na trusted seller. Okay? Madali lang naman ma-determine yun, especially sa Shopee. Meron silang Shopee Mall na affiliate program para mas ma-determine mo if legitimate na pinagbebenta nila. Kasi pag napatunayan nila na hindi ito legitimate, you can get your money back. Okay, so yun yung advantage na na legitimate yung mga store. Okay, sandali na lang 'to, mabubuksan na natin 'to. So just bear with me. While ina-unbox ko 'to, I did a little bit of research on what's good about this product. Yung headband nito is a bit on the tighter side. So, medyo i-adjust nyo lang accordingly. Tapos, 148 grams ang weight net nito. So, magaan naman siya relatively. Pero, heads up, yung base nito is not above average. Okay? So, to set the right expectation, hindi ganong patindi yung base niya. Hindi din ganong kadip ang base niya. Kaya heads up. Kung makikita nyo sa packaging niya, may nakalagay na pure bass sound. don't be deceived by that. So, yung tulad na nasabi ko, yung base, it's not that deep based on my research. I'll also share some of the cons of this item base sa research ko. Of course, yung actual pwede mag-iba. Tapos, buksan na rin natin to, no? While we are at it. Wala naman, since budget speaker to, budget headphone, don't expect a lot of things that comes along with it. Okay, so makikita nyo yung mismong headphone. Set aside natin yung headphone, nakalagay dito sa labas, Tune 500. Tapos yung JBL Harman na logo, there you go. Nakalagay na ano, ito yung mga features niya. May hands-free na calls, may tangle-free wire and the length, and foldable design. So, yun ang i-reclaim niya. Mga code sa harapan is Tune 500. Sabi niya is pure, bass sound, hands-free calls. So, yun ang claim niya. Tapos, nasabi niya to. Since ipakita ko na itong button na to, hindi daw ito gumagana pagka sinaksak natin sa desktop for some reason. Baka may issues siya with Microsoft or some operating system issue. So, there's that. Consider nyo din yon kasi malaking tulong yon if it is working. If it is not, it's a bummer. Okay? So, set aside that yung box. Kamusta ang inyong Holy Week? This one, I filmed this one on Sunday. So, hopefully, na-enjoy nyo yung weekends nyo, long weekends nyo. And ang kasama nito is documentation. Okay? Meron sa product registration and all those stuff. Set aside din natin, no? May QR code so that when you register the product, hindi kayo mahirapan for future support. One con nitong item na to is hindi siya mahirap hanapan ang kanyang foam. Okay? Pero sa Philippines, marami naman mabibili mga crochet type. So, there's that. Hindi kayo mahihirapan dapat. Okay. Adjustable na si swivel, which is good. Mga quality sticker. Tapos, yung branding malaki din. Not too much. Tapos, just like what I mentioned, this one is a wired headphone. Tapos, may control. Pagdating sa phone, it's working. Pero, yung mga phones natin, as you may know it, wala nang bihira na lang yung may headphone jack, no? Most of them are Bluetooth speaker, so there's that. Bihira na lang yung phone na may mga 2.5 mm jack. So ang reason naman sa pagbili ko nito is for my desktop. So yun po yung reason kung bakit binili ko tong item na to. Yun ang main purpose naman nitong item na to. So, pagdating sa headphone, iba yung brand na ginagamit ko. So far, ang matino para sa akin that you can research is Vention. So, right around 600 pesos. So, okay na siya. So, in terms of mga ganito, another brand na ginagamit ko is Logitech. Yun ang gamit ko sa office. Sa office kasi, normally, we use Jabra and Poly. So, since nasira yung headphone ko while we are waiting for our IT to replace it, ginamit ko muna si Logitech. Okay naman siya. So, for home use, okay na tong JBL. Na-share ko na naman yung mga kailangan kong i-share. On top of that, yung wind microphone noise blocking, hindi rin ganong kaganda based on some of the research that I did. And lastly, there is no app for this headphone. Pero what do you expect for a headphone right around 1,200 or a headphone less than 2,000 pesos. So, set the right expectation. Ito yun naman yung channel natin eh. We don't buy stuff na sobrang mahal. So, more on do sa budget-friendly lang tayo dito sa channel, no? So, please do support this small channel, Phil Mateo TV. Kung umabot ka sa part na to na bandang dulo, salamat. Consider subscribing. Thank you so much for your time. You have a nice day ahead. Bye!